how to use the verb I play, παίζω, in everyday sentences. In the present, future, and past tenses. The present tense. I play. παίζω. You play singular. παίζεις. He, she, or it plays. παίζει. We play. παίζουμε. You play, plural form. παίζετε. They play. παίζουν. Here are sample sentences in the present tense. I play football. παίζω ποδόσφαιρο. Do you play guitar? παίζεις κιθάρα? He plays with his friends. παίζει με τους φίλους του. We play in the park. παίζουμε στο πάρκο. Do you play games at home? παίζετε παιχνίδια στο σπίτι? They play basketball after school. παίζουν μπάσκετ μετά το σχολείο. The future tense with the particle θα. I will play. Θα παίξω. You will play, singular. Θα παίξεις. He, she, or it will play. Θα παίξει. We will play. Θα παίξουμε. You will play, plural form. Θα παίξετε. They will play. Θα παίξουν. I will play football. Θα παίξω ποδόσφαιρο. Will you play with us? Θα παίξεις μαζί μας? He will play in the park. Θα παίξει στο πάρκο. We will play a game. Θα παίξουμε ένα παιχνίδι. Will you play today? Θα παίξετε σήμερα? They will play after school. Θα παίξουν μετά το σχολείο. The past tense. I played. έπαιξα. You played, singular. έπαιξες. He, she, or it played. έπαιξε. We played. παίξαμε. You played, plural form. παίξατε. They played. έπαιξαν. Here are sample sentences in the past tense. I played football. έπαιξα ποδόσφαιρο. Did you play yesterday? έπαιξες χθες? He played in the park. έπαιξε στο πάρκο. We played a game. παίξαμε ένα παιχνίδι. Did you play at the beach? παίξατε στην παραλία? They played after school. έπαιξαν μετά το σχολείο. Γεια σας. My name is George Lambrou and thank you for practicing with 1 Hour Language. Check out the next video in the series for more practice.